Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and welcome to day 15 of my 2024 Spellbinders Crafty Advent series. Spellbinders generously sent me one of their advent calendars to open and share with you here on my channel. So each day from the 1st to the 24th, I'm going to have a quick and fun video to show you what's behind the new door and create a project. For day 15, the gift was a border strip embossing folder that features X's, O's, and a fun little curly Q line. For today's project, I wanted to make a fun background to feature the embossing, and that folder kind of reminded me of a party, so I was thinking birthday party. For the background, I chose 3 different inks, all pastels. I chose blue, green, and pink. After I had all 3 colors down, I brought in the embossing folder and I aligned it with one edge of the square and sent it through my die cutter. If you are enjoying this series, I think you're going to love my daily Advent lives. Make sure to check out the link at the top of the description box below and join me for the next live stream where I will be opening multiple crafty calendars and creating a new tag each day. For the focal point and to go with the birthday theme I had in mind, I used the fishtail banner from earlier this Advent series and I die cut happy birthday into it, and then I also put together a little pastel cupcake using a die set I had in my stash. Off camera, I trimmed down my ink blended piece to a 2 3/4 inch square and I cut a pink mat that was a 3-inch square. I started layering everything together, starting with my square pieces, and then I got my cupcake added. I knew that it was too big for all of it to show on the square, so I kind of put it down in the lower right hand corner. I played with where I wanted the embossing to go and where I wanted the happy birthday banner to go, but once I figured it out, I put liquid glue on the back of everything, and then I let this dry completely for a little bit. Once everything was dry, I brought in my long blade scissors and cut off the excess, and I have to say some places I was cutting through 3 or 4 layers and it was a little tough, but I eventually got through it. Then to finish this piece off, I brought in the Color Essentials gems in Peridot and I sprinkled some down there in the lower left around the sentiment. For this series, I made a special little mini photo album, and each day's creation is going to get turned into kind of an instant photo, or what you might know as a polaroid. So once I had my square done, I got it added to the top center of my background piece, and then it's just going to get put back in the album, so at the end of the month, I will be able to go back and just see what each day's little gift was. It's such a fun and cute way to remember this series. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel and you would like to be notified of my next Advent video, make sure to click on that subscribe button below and ring the bell for all notifications. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.